the roadside sobriety. There were some legal hurdles that we did not jump in time for cup match. We believe that we will have them, all of the requisite legal requirements, completed within the next 2 weeks. As you know, the legislation recently passed Parliament. It then had to go to the Senate. It then legitimated the instruments. We have the breathalyzer devices. And so we are literally going through the administrative pieces to allow this matter to be handled in the public. As much as we want to have the roadside sobriety testing initiated this weekend, and we all did, we also operate under a constitution and under a legal framework. And so what we did not want to do is jeopardize any civil rights or to be indeed a foul of the law. So we've made a decision not to commence with the actual roadside sobriety official testing, but Assistant Commissioner Weeks will go through that specifically to highlight what we will be doing and the legal mechanism that we will be using to initiate those things. So if you don't mind, I'd like to have the Assistant Commissioner just go through the legal rubric of the what we will be doing now instead.
Thank you, Minister. Yes, as the Minister said, today is the day that it comes into commencement. Unfortunately, the way the legislation is written, we have to gazette all of the positions where we'll be doing them for 5 days, and so that puts it outside of the cup match weekend. That said, we will be sending a letter this week to the senior magistrate seeking authorization to commence the actual checks, the roadside checkpoints, over the next couple of weeks, so you can expect to hear that from us in the near future. This weekend, however, as I said in my remarks, we will be putting a special emphasis on drink driving generally. Whilst we might not be doing the road checks as you might think they would look, where we would have it done the same way as they do in other jurisdictions, we will be stopping cars, we will be running other types of stops, and if the evidence is there that allows us to believe that you have reasonable probable cause, should I say, that you've got excess alcohol, you will be arrested. So we will be actively looking to arrest people for driving whilst impaired and with excess alcohol in the blood.